Hi there, it's Grant here. I'm really excited to bring this video today because what I'm going to do is give you some tips and a mini masterclass of how you can use Google search ads to basically drive affiliate sales. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you two of my campaigns that work really well for me. I'm going to give you some tips of why it worked well. So basically you can go out there and try this for yourself. Now, in the full act of honesty and transparency, you're not going to be able to run Google search ads for every affiliate offer. It really depends on a couple of factors, which I'm going to touch on in this video. So if you're excited to watch this video, why not smash the like button? Why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? Okay, so let's get on with it. So before I get into the video, I'm an affiliate marketer. I've been an affiliate marketer now for over 3 years, but I also still do a little bit of media buying for clients. I basically pick and choose who I work with these days, but I do a bit of media buying. And what I mean by media buying is either, launching search ad campaigns or other campaigns for clients, and also if it's a good fit, I also manage ad campaigns and ad accounts for clients as well, because I enjoy it and it is really my superpower. So that's just sort of little information about me and a little bit of context. And just to give you an example of my experience, I've been media buying on and off now for over 8 years, and I've spent and managed over $4 million in ad spend. I've worked with ClickFunnels, which is one of the largest sort of software companies in the information marketing space or internet marketing space. Work with small businesses as well. I've worked with all sorts of people, but I've promoted all sorts of kinds of products. So yeah, I've got a ton of experience about this and knowledge of what works and what doesn't. So with that out of the way, let's get on to these campaigns. So a campaign you see in front of me, this is going down like memory lane for me. This campaign here is the one that started it all for me as an affiliate marketer. This campaign I ran for a launch, and the launch at the time was the $1 trillion coin launch. I think this launch happened in April, May 2020, so over 3 years ago. And basically during this launch, I earned I think about 16, 17, I can't remember the exact number. I earned 16 to 17,000 pounds, and it really opened my eyes of what is possible with affiliate marketing, and really set me on my journey down this route. So let's get into why this campaign works so well. So when I started affiliate marketing, I didn't have any email list, didn't have any social media following. I had nothing. The only thing I had was my skills as a media buyer. So basically, when I got the campaign, I sort of looked at ways of how I could use search ads to promote it. And through my knowledge of media buying, I really wanted to, sort of touch on or promote to brand terms around this launch. Now, before I go into it, where I've seen the most success and where I see clients having the most success is targeting brand terms. What I mean by brand terms are product names of products, names of maybe people or gurus around the business, or people typing in buyer intent keywords. For example, best weight loss pills, that kind of thing. Because at the end of the day, someone's typing in a product name, a company name, or sort of a product type name like best weight loss pills. They are in the market to buy that product, and they're just needing something to tip them over the edge, or basically they're ready to buy now. So if you want to create a Google search campaign, you either want to go after brand campaigns, or if you can't do that because not every affiliate offer is going to allow you to bid on their brand terms, you want to go after buyer intent based keywords, as close you can get to that brand term as possible. So just a bit of information there for you. So why did this campaign work so well? So basically, this is the campaign I used to drive leads for the launch. As we can see, basically what I did, just to give you a bit of background about the launch, it was called the $1 trillion coin launch. It was all around crypto, and the publisher I was working with, basically they were promoting the next $1 trillion coin in crypto. And in 2020, crypto was blowing up. So crypto was super hot. So in many ways, I was promoting the right thing at the right time. So it was a bit of luck there. But anyhow, still had to get the result. So my idea for this launch was basically to go after the guru. So the guru on this launch was called Tika Tiwari. He was huge at the time, still is huge. He's a crypto expert, and basically my idea was basically to put an ad and bid on his name for the launch, because I knew with the buzz and everything, people are going to be searching for Tika Tiwari due to the buzz around this launch. So basically I launched my ad and promoted the launch with Google search ads. And basically, as we can see here, I promoted this for only about 10 days, and I generated 315 leads. This isn't 100% accurate, but basically I generated 315 leads for around about 1096, which isn't bad for a launch, because this is going to be going into a live webinar. So I was getting leads for about £10, and I generated around about 315 leads. And I did it all around the guru for the launch, because I knew buzz would be high, people would be searching for Tika. So I put my ad where the people were searching. And if I just show you the ad, so yeah, here we go. Just really benefit driven headline. Put the keyword into the title, which is key Tika Tiwari reveals the next $1 trillion coin for free on his special event. And I just basically said Tika Tiwari believes he has discovered the next $1 trillion coin, and he will reveal his name for free. Register for the next basically register. So that was the only ad I ran. Got 1,373 clicks, 10.3% click-through rate, which is really good. And I was getting clicks for about £2, and I spent about £3,500. So I think I made just over 16. I think it was £16,500. So I made about £13,000 profit, which isn't bad for 2 weeks' work. So yeah. So basically, I got a lot of love for this launch because, yeah, I had basically no assets. I just basically used my skills, went after really hot terms, brand terms, which was the guru for this launch in this case, and I went all in and took a risk. And there we go. Now, some of you are probably saying, well, yeah, Grant, I haven't got £3,500 to spend on ads. And I must admit, at the time, I didn't really. I think, no, I'm not saying you do this, but I think I put the money on a credit card and just took a risk. Now, I'm not saying you should do that, because obviously if it goes against you, you've just racked up £3,500 of debt. But at the same time, yeah, I think, yeah, I just went all in with this, and it worked out for me. Made a £13,500 profit for 2 weeks' work. And there we go. So what's my takeaways for this for you? So if you want to get involved with a launch and you think you can use Google AdWords to promote a launch, the best thing I could advise is, if they've got some kind of guru in the launch, just run ads for the guru terms. That's what has worked well for me when promoting launches, or, you know, maybe the launch name, product name, something like that. So there we go. That's the first thing. Oh, another thing I must say, bidding. So I would always set up conversion tracking for your campaigns, because Google can optimize, so you can find more people who convert. But also what I would do is I would launch a campaign on enhanced CPC, because Google will still do conversion tracking, and at the end of the day, you're still going to be getting good cost per leads. You can do maximized conversions, but the only problem is with maximized conversions, sometimes it can just take a while for the campaign to run, and I really only like using maximized conversions when the keywords have got massive search volume, and maybe I'm going at slightly colder keywords, and I'm using the power of Google's AI algorithm to basically find buyers for me. So that's campaign number one. Now, before I get on to the next campaign, I've got something exciting to show you. Now, basically, I've actually created a Fiverr gig page where basically I can help people set up and potentially manage Google search ad campaigns. So if you've got an affiliate product in mind and you would like my help setting up your ad campaign or maybe even managing it for you, I'm going to link to my Fiverr page in the description. These are all my packages. So basically to do a one-off campaign, it's going to cost about £316. That's a one-off campaign setup. I have also do management packages. So to manage one campaign that I set up for you for 30 days costs £785. The premium one probably isn't going to be suitable for you because this is for established accounts that are already running with ads running that are profitable. Well, I just take over management, so you can pretty much forget that unless you've got a big ads account and you want me to manage it for you, then we can talk about it. But you know, if you want to, have an ad campaign set up, don't purchase any of the packages straight away. Please drop me a message first. Drop me a message. Let me know as many details as you can about the affiliate product name, and I will basically let you know if I can help you, because at the end of the day, I'm only going to set up the ad campaign for you if I know I can help you. At the end of the day, I want to help people, and if I can't help you, I will let you know, so save you money. But if you want to have a conversation about it, drop me a message on my Fiverr page. Let me know the affiliate product you have in mind, and basically we can have a conversation about it. I'll go away, do a bit of research, and if I can find some keywords that I think are suitable around the product, yeah, you can purchase this. Purchase either the basic, or if you want me to manage it for you for 30 days, we can give it a go. Now, I must stress that I cannot promise results. I can't say you're going to make $1 million, or that be really unfair and unrealistic for me. But if you're not confident about doing it yourself, and you want my help, yeah, this might be a good service for you. The only other thing you'll need is a landing page set up, but you'll need landing page software like ClickFunnels or something else. We can discuss that anyway if you want to do it. But anyway, if you need my help, come to the page, drop me a message, let me know the affiliate product in as much details as possible, your budget, and we can have a conversation, see if I can help you. Okay, I'll link to my Fiverr description or profile down below. Okay, on to the final campaign. So this was another campaign I ran. This is for a product called the Distortion Report, which is a financial newsletter. This campaign, again, I think the commissions I get for this, I think at the time, because I ran this a while ago, I was getting $150 per sale, which is pretty good. So again, I used a similar strategy to the launch. I wanted to go after brand terms, and luckily this company allows me to bid on brand terms. So basically, I went after the product name, which is called the Distortion Report, and other related keywords. And basically, I used exact match because I wanted to only target that keyword and people searching for that term. So I wanted to keep targeting very tight. So I got 251 clicks. Actually, let me go back so I can't see the conversion data. Here we go. Groups. Yeah, so I was getting conversions for £17 and being paid $150. This is what you call a winning campaign. You run it all day long and you can spend as much as you want. Because at the end of the day, if you're getting conversions for 17, well, even up to £50, you're going to be making a lot of money. This is a home run campaign. Now, not every campaign works out like this. You need a couple of things in order to, for this to work, and I'll run through that now. So basically, at the end of the day, if you want to run brand terms, you need the affiliate publisher, the person running the affiliate, sort of program. You need them to allow you to run brand terms, and also you need them to be running a lot of ads. You need search volume. So if the company behind the product is running a ton of ads in other networks, you can be sure, they're spending a lot of money month in, month out. They're going to be getting a sizable brand search on all of their product names. So basically means the product's hot. People are searching for the product because they either want to find out a little bit more about it and buy. And also the niche if it's in a niche that's hot and there's a big buzz about it, great. And when you get all those things come together, you can get results like this. Again, all I did was target brand terms. I think the bidding I used, I think I tested both maximize conversions and enhanced CPC. I think for a campaign like this, I just run it on enhanced CPC bidding. I was just targeting the US because this is where most of the people who buy this stuff are. These products are more for older people, basically retirement age, because they want to grow their wealth. And basically, I put all the demographic data in age. I only wanted to target males. Enhanced CPC bidding, went after the brand term. Yeah, so that is basically how, this is how I got these results. I created a landing page in ClickFunnels. Basically, it was just a bridge page because that's something important as well. When you're promoting affiliate products, you can't just put your affiliate link into the ads as your landing page. You have to create a bridge page because with your own domain, because Google won't allow affiliate links because they're usually messy and a bit weird. So you need to create your own bridge page. And basically, yeah, let me see if I can show you the landing page very quickly. Just 1 second. I don't know, this campaign isn't running anymore. The last dollar. Yeah, I do believe. Yeah, here we go. So you want to be creating a bridge page like this. You basically want to make it a benefit-driven bridge page. Have a really powerful headline with a big idea for the promo. Really benefit-driven. But then basically it's just really speaking to people who want to buy the product. There's a product image, the price of products, great deal. And basically when people click this, it just takes them to the cart page for the product. So yeah. So there we go, guys. That is basically how I run my Google search ads. And I also run ads on Bing. I'll give an overview of Bing in another video. But Bing is very similar to Google AdWords. It's not as sophisticated because its algorithm of how it optimizes is nowhere as sophisticated as Google. But Bing, in many ways, can be more profitable than Google search ads because there's not so much competition over there. Not many people know about it. So there we go. That is my mini Google AdWords Masterclass. Please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this. Also, I've got something really exciting to tell you. Hopefully in the next 4 to 6 weeks, I'm going to be releasing my own blog and basically newsletter all about affiliate marketing, where I'm going to be, detailing all of my knowledge and experience of driving traffic to offers and all of my affiliate marketing strategies. So keep an eye out for that because I'll be releasing my blog, which is going to have a free weekly newsletter and a paid option. I'm going to be releasing that in 4 to 6 weeks. So keep an eye out for that because I think it's really going to help you guys level up your affiliate marketing business. Also, last thing I'll say, if you want to have a conversation about me launching a Google search ad campaign for you for an affiliate offer, here's my Fiverr gig page. I'll link to it down below in the description. These are all my packages. You don't worry about the premium unless you've got a massive ad account and you want me to manage it month on, month out. Probably most people want to take the basic one, which is just a one-off ad campaign setup. If you want ad management, you can do that as well. But if you want to have a conversation about me launching a Google search ad campaign for an affiliate product, come to my page, which is linked below. Message me, drop me as much information about the affiliate products as possible. I'll go away, do my research, and if I think I can help you by finding some hot keywords, I will let you know, and you can purchase the package, and I'll set an ad campaign up for you. Anyway, link for that in the description. Anyway, really appreciate you guys. I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.